Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the recent market fall on Monday. So the fall of market on Monday is mainly due to the COVID-19 second wave. This everybody knows. But there are some reasons behind this because earlier only in Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray announced the night curfew and he called for all party meeting to discuss about the lockdown in Maharashtra and Mumbai. And following this, Delhi also they planned for night curfew and followed by Delhi. Haryana also planning for night curfew. So these are all created a panic situation among the investors and traders. But as far as my opinion is concerned, these are not the panic situation happened in the investors and traders. These are the panic situation crafted by the so-called people who are operators in the market. So the falling of market will makes the very good opportunity to have an investment. You can park part of your money in very good stocks, because today the date on which I am recording this video, there was about 9 lakh crore rupees 9 lakh crore rupees Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the fall of market on Monday, which happened recently. The fall of market on Monday is mainly due to the second wave of COVID-19 and the night curfew announced by Uddhav Thackeray in Mumbai and followed by Mumbai. Delhi also announced such kind of curfew and followed by Delhi, and Haryana is also following the same scenario. So this created a panic situation in investors and traders. People used to say that the market is in a panic situation and traders are having a panic shock in their mind, so they made a sell off. But this is not true, because in my personal opinion, I can say that these fear are crafted by operators or speculators, whoever they may be in the market. uh, and uh, and the day we recorded this video, there was about 9 lakh crore rupees. The cost of the prices of the stocks come down. The total value come down to about 9 lakh crore rupees. So this is a very good opportunity to park your money. Part of your money you can park in very good stocks like Tata Motors and Hindalco and all. So most of the stocks went about 7 to 9% down on the day. So this is a very good market. This is a very good opportunity. I hope that the further fall in the market is on the card. So the main reason for fall of market on this day is due to the IAP data and CPI data. The IAP data is about shrink of points about to 3.6%. This 3.6% on February created a negative impact on the market. This is one reason. And another reason, the inflation, rise in inflation, CPI inflation, it's about 5.52 in the month of March, and previous month it is about 5.2 only. So the marginal rise in the CPI inflation itself created a panic situation in the market. So altogether, if you are looking at the market gives you the very good opportunity. So try to find out predominant stocks in every sector. So sector wise, I can say that the automobile sector, IT sector, and pharma sector and finance sector, particularly NBFC stocks, you can concentrate. So if you are able to list out certain predominant stocks in each and every sector, mark these stocks, put these stocks in your trading window and watch the price levels. Whenever the price level comes down, park your little portion of the money. Then you can able to make an average. So this is the pre-average. Most of the time people will use to buy all of a sudden. They used to pump lump money on one particular stock or different stocks, and after that when the price comes down they put another hard earned money to average. This is post average. I'm just hate about this post average. So pre average is nothing but like SIP, you are parking a smaller portion of money. Then when in the stock when you are assuming a plan, you are having a plan, you are parking little money and little money and little money and so on, like 3 times or 4 times. This is a pre-average. I think I'm not confusing you. So you make a list of stocks and have your own idea, then go along with the market. Thank you very much. I am Vijay.